Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how I do my typical everyday messy bun. So sometimes it comes out looking a little bit more fancy. Like today I feel like it came out kind of fancy. And then sometimes it comes out really messy. I think it depends on like how dirty your hair is. So I put like actually a lot of product in my hair before I put it up, which I feel like made it stay a lot better, but it's also a lot more like coiffed, if that's the right word, which I'm kind of liking it though actually. It's perfect because I have a dinner to go to later. But if you do this without like a lot of product in your hair, I think it comes out a little bit more like messy, casual, everyday kind of style, which I also love. The only things you'll need for this hairstyle is a good curling iron, some elastic hair ties, and then probably a brush and like maybe some kind of texture spray. Alright, let's get into it. So my hair is freshly washed, which is fine. I usually prefer my hair to be a little bit dirty when I do this hairstyle, so typically I'll do it for day 2 or day 3 hair after washing. So later on I'm going to add a little bit of texture dust, which will help a lot. So I start by grabbing a smaller section of hair, and then I'm going to alternate curling away from my face and towards my face. So for this one, I'm going to start about halfway up my hair and curl away from my face, hold for a few seconds, and then I kind of twist and release at the same time, if that makes sense. So let's try it again at this piece. So I'm curling towards my face, start about halfway up, hold it for a few seconds, and then I kind of release it and twist down. And then I'm going to just repeat this pattern until all of my hair is curled. The only section I'm going to wait to curl is my front hair pieces or my bangs. Now that all of my hair is curled, I'm just going to take my fingers and loosely brush out the curls. Next, I'm going to add some texture to my freshly washed hair. I'm using this texture powder from the brand Blossom. I apply the texture powder directly to my roots. I lift up sections of hair and put the powder on my scalp, and then I just kind of tousle my hair to make sure it all has product on it. With this texture powder, I will say a little bit goes a long way, and make sure you're not putting too much on, otherwise it's going to be really hard to style your hair. Next up, I'm applying some dry conditioner from the brand Amika. My hair is a little bit on the dry side, and this just helps my hair be a little bit more manageable to work with. Next up, I'm going to need to use my clear elastics, so I'm going to take out a couple and get them ready. I usually use 2 elastics for my hair because I have really thick hair. To create this bun, all you have to do is grab a small section of hair, pull it back kind of where you want your bun to be, and then you're going to fold it into a loop, and then you're going to continue this pattern all around your hair. Keep grabbing small sections of hair and looping them and adding them to the hand that's holding them. And keep going all around your head until all of your hair is up where you want it and in loops. The best part about this hairstyle is that it should not look perfect, it should look messy. So the messier, the better. This is my go-to summer hairstyle for boat days, or if I'm just running late and I need to throw my hair up quick, but I still want it to look cute. Once my hair is all gathered in loops at the back of my head, I'll grab my clear elastics, and like I said, I normally do 2. I'm going to wrap it around the base of my bun twice. Next up is the fun part. All you have to do is start grabbing those little loops that you made and pull them out. So you're going to pull them all in different directions and just make the bun messier. It's really up to you how messy you want your bun to be. The more you pull on the loops, the messier it's going to look. I'm personally not going to make it super messy today just because I do have a dinner to go to later and I want to keep it looking somewhat nice. But other days, I'll make it super messy and fun. Now that my bun is done, I'm going to go back and curl my front pieces. I like to curl these pieces towards my face. I just really like how it looks. And if you have a lot of layers in your hair like I do, I'll just go back and kind of curl those pieces all around the nape of my neck and make sure it looks nice and curled. And that is basically all of the steps I'll take to get this hairstyle. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If there's any other hairstyles you guys want me to do a tutorial on, feel free to go through my Instagram or my TikTok and let me know.